Good morning everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Life on the Savage Farm. I'm Jessica Savage. Today you'll be outside with me to handle a few chores, a little bit of cleaning, and attending to my garden on my little farm. So enjoy your coffee, relax, and I hope this video gives you the motivation and inspiration that you need. We're starting off on cleaning our brooder pen, changing the feed, changing the water, and then to transfer the new baby chicks that I have. We rake the ground to give the chicks a new surface to run on, but to get rid of the hard dirt from the previous chicks we've sold. Then before the transfer, Chris will sanitize and spray it down to keep fleas, mites, and lice getting on the chicks. We use a spray called Elector PSP Premise Spray. Best stuff ever, you guys. So if you ever decided to have chicks or chickens, best stuff to use when you have them in a brooder pen. It really gives the chickens a shield from these bugs. These chickens are the best, you guys. So friendly, so docile, and love to be around you while we work outside. They're called Mille Fleur Calico chickens. They probably don't get any larger than a soccer ball, but I love them that way. We've done a lot of condensing with my farm before my surgery had happened. Now that I'm 5 weeks post-op, I'm so glad that I condensed a lot of this. As women, we love to take on everything, do everything, have everything, and call ourselves a superwoman. Which we are, but ladies, even superwoman needed a break. So as you're watching this, and whatever task chore you decided to do, take it easy, don't overdo it, take breaks, take it slow, and you don't have to get it done all in one day. Do what you can with the time that you have, otherwise you won't have the time if you end up hurting yourself. What a cute little chicken! Peace, my sweet boy. Here are the new chicks, you guys, that I was talking about earlier. Aren't they cute? Well, it's time to transfer them to outside into that brooder pen because they're a little over 4 weeks old now and fully feathered. I cannot wait to send them off to their new homes though. But honestly, I will miss them, but they're so much fun to watch.
Cause I don't want nobody to change me now. Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away, you can walk away. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody but.
Now here I am putting them into their new home. They'll stay in here until their new owner picks them up. Otherwise, after 4 weeks, I'll transfer them into this brooder pen and have them stay in here until they're big enough to join my large flock. Now Chris is closing it back up and putting the cinder blocks back on top to secure our pen. Yes, he yelled at me earlier for taking them off in the beginning to clean this pen because he didn't want me to lift anything. I told him that I had forgot, but I had felt great at 5 weeks. Then to be funny, I told him my OBGYN doctor told me that I could increase my activity. Peace, my sweet boy.
Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away, you can walk away. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind.
Oh. Goose does not like my husband for any reason. We were going to retrieve her eggs, but I told Chris we'll leave her alone for now. This is so embarrassing. This is what happens after a week with a bunch of ducks. So we're looking into creating a bigger pond for them and making a bog filter to clean the water and circulate fresh water back into the pond. I'll hopefully never have to fill it or clean it again because right now it literally looks like the Red Sea, you guys. So we're going to tackle this and get it done for the ducks. Last but not least, here's our beautiful garden. This is what we have managed to get done probably a few months before my surgery. We had worked on it a little more and added the final touches right before my hysterectomy. So here we are showing you the beginning, then we'll be showing you the during, and then I will be showing you the after. So you won't want to miss it. Couldn't have done this garden without my husband though. He's a lifesaver and I thank the Lord daily for him. What he's doing for me now is creating the planter box that I wanted out of our pallet. As a farmer, you intend to keep a lot of materials, and I mean a lot. So we're thankful to have all these extra items to make our garden with. This pallet will be for our babe lettuce. Such a tedious task planting seeds, as you have to make sure you're dropping only one seed in each hole.
I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out, again. My future needed clarity, so I could see how you react, how you react to me. So much differently. I am different. Time that I look back, I see my fortune. Would you react to me? We are reacting so much differently. Doubted all that I could do, knowing what I need to do. All can say the word is thank you. I think it's what you need to push away from the shore, amongst the waves, exactly where I wanna be. I am where I wanna be. Remember the start, when my future needed clarity. Yes, I needed clarity, so I could see how you'd react, how you'd react to me. So much differently, 'cause I am different to you. Every time that I look back, I see my fortune. Would you react to me? We are reacting. So much differently.
It's time to plant our sunflowers. Yay! We wanted these because you can feed them to our ducks. And my daughter really wanted to see a sunflower bloom. So it was a win for her and a win for me because now I can save more money on feeding certain foods to my ducks. They love the sunflower seeds, and I'll be sure to have plenty of it. Now I'm going to go through all of my plants and give them a good water. Then I'll come back around and show you what I've planted and what is growing in our garden so far. Here we have our beautiful tomato plants, and we have 2 of each. On the right are the small red cherry tomatoes, and the 2 on the left you have Better Boys, which are big tomatoes for like sandwiches and stuff. We have our carrots here in this circle, corn in the pallet, and then green beans in this box, which I'll replant in a different spot. We have our beautiful okra and broccoli in this pallet. Cannot wait for these to grow. We have here our Spanish onion, which is the yellow onion, but it will be moved to be replaced with the banana peppers because next to it is our jalapeno plants. We want to create some hot sauce ourselves with these plants. We will have evergreen onions planted here, and these are my cute little cucumbers. My husband loves these. And of course, the sunflower bed for my ducks. We have our parsley, cilantro, and our awesome banana tree. This was actually given to me by my best friend. It wasn't working in her yard at her house, and then when we brought it here, it started to grow. It's so funny. These won't produce until next year in 2021, but worth the wait. Now here's the next project my husband put together for me. I'm the one with these ideas and he just builds it. This box will be for our russet potatoes.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
We are now getting this bed ready for our watermelon seeds, another fruit that my ducks love to eat, and so do my kids. No fruits or veggies will go to waste here at all.
I need you to hear and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Time stops when I'm falling for you. The world stops spinning. My head is spinning too. Time stops when I'm falling for you.
This second bed that we just finished is for the Spanish onion seeds that I'm planting right now. Then in the last bed, we hope to have our pumpkin seeds growing soon. We love pumpkin pie, and my chickens will love the pumpkin seeds with the inside. It's actually a great dewormer, for the chickens if I ever need it. Alright everyone, that is it for today. Stay till the end of this video because you won't want to miss the after results of this garden. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. I hope you got the motivation and inspiration you needed to finish out your day today. Give this video a thumbs up before you leave. Please consider subscribing and head over to my Instagram, Life on the Savage Farm. Follow me there as well to see other photos and Insta stories I post. We're so glad to have you be a part of our YouTube family. We really are. It means everything to us. Be sure to share our channel because every share, every like, and for everyone who watches helps out tremendously. Here's the after results of our garden. So you guys, thank you again. I guess I will see you right back here with a brand new video. Bye.